Hey guys, it's your old buddy Rowlf. I'm here in the big city during a blizzard. Oh man, I like it nippy, but this is too nippy. Ooh, it's cold enough out here to freeze a Winnebago. My Winnebago, that is. Oh, I hope you're all keeping warm and cozy indoors. Not like a fool like me. I'm just out here messing around, licking flakes. Licking them flakes. Tasty. Nom, 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 nom. Did I mention it's cold out here? Oh, the weather out here is frightful. But my dear, I'm still freezing. Oh man. Oh, forget the singing, forget the atmospheric shots. We gotta get back inside. It's way chilly. Ooh. I mean, I can't bundle up enough to keep my bones from shaking. Oh yeah, feel them shaking bones. It's freezing. Oh, this is no place for a dog. I should be by a warm fireplace or sitting by the Zoom screen or something cozy like that. Oh, I can't take it. Oh, what is this world? Oh, I'm going back inside.